Hello guys, mga mamshis! Today, I'm going to share with you how to make my pork rebosado. So this dish is a deep-fried pork back fat, buttered with flour and cornstarch together with our pepper and salt. So here are the ingredients that we will be needing for our first procedure. So we will be needing half kilo of pork back fat, sliced into your optional preferred sizes that you like, minced garlic, fish sauce, grated ginger, calamansi, extracted its juice. You can also use lemon if you want, if you don't have calamansi. Then our pepper and salt. I'm going to combine all the ingredients and marinate it overnight. I usually do this if I have a lot of time to prepare, especially when frying meat. Because soaking our meat fat prior to cooking enhances more flavor and spices. Its flavor also penetrates within our meat. So now, here are some of the ingredients that we will be needing for our next procedure. Marinated back fat. We will also be needing cornstarch and flour, pepper and sugar, and of course our 1 cup of vegetable oil. So let's start. But first, we're going to mix our powdered mixture for our coating. For now, I'm going to combine our cornstarch, flour, pepper, and sugar, all together. You know, there's always a reason why I always use cornstarch, because it helps our rebosado to stay crispy for a long period of time. Instead of using pure flour, I also combine cornstarch with it. So finally, we're going to coat our pork back fat with our mixture. Just continue the procedure till we finish coating it. Let's just set it aside for at least 15 minutes before frying it. And now let's be sure that our pan is already preheated before putting in our vegetable oil. Our preheated vegetable oil and pan avoids us from sticking our rebosado into our pan. So we just have to be sure that it's already heated before frying it. You know guys, deep frying makes our rebosado crispy from the outside and tender on the inside. But I hate to say this or to share this for those who are health particular out there. Or might as well, I am suggesting you to use some paper towels or breads as a bottom layer of your serving plate so that it will absorb some excess oils and fats that we hate. Just continue this procedure until we finish the last batch of our rebosado. So now it's finally done. We could already serve it with sweet and sour sauce, vinegar or mayonnaise, or anything that complements with your taste. Enjoy! Just don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell for more upcoming recipes. Thank you!